Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you Nested Finance. This is a confirmed and very easy airdrop. I'm going to cover a little bit about the project because they have been with the airdrop since May already, so it's not a new airdrop, but they raised 7.5 million in Series A funding in March of 2022, and they have been working a lot in the project, so I'm going to cover a little bit about that. And of course, like always, you are going to see step by step how to get this airdrop, how everything works. But this is not a speculation, this is a confirmed and engaged airdrop from the project. So we are going to cover everything in this video about this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, like always, stay tuned to this video, and of course everything here that you are going to see on this Excel, on the step-by-steps, you are going to find it here on my webpage in the link of the description. I'll always put the different links for the videos where you are going to see the step-by-steps and the videos here to do everything correctly. So of course check on the link on the description of the video to see the step-by-step. And Nested Finance is basically a way to build your crypto portfolio, or you also can copy the best traders. So it's a place that you can trade, but you will see that you can copy portfolios from another people that is doing really well. So that's actually really interesting. But it's a DeFi project, so we are going to check a little bit about this because, like I mentioned in the intro, they raised 7.5 million in Series A funding round to democratize DeFi. This was on March of 2022. Really interesting people involved on this. The project already works in many protocols, so you can see that works already in Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche, BNB chain, Polygon and Optimism, and more protocols are going to come here into the application. So let's go to the step by step. But first, another comments about the airdrop. This is an official airdrop and it's going to happen in Q1 of 2023. So we still have at least 2 months to participate, and this is already confirmed. It's not a speculation. You can go directly to the Nestify link from the airdrop where you are going to have specific information about the airdrop. There are going to be 2.6 million tokens to be distributed, and you need to put a minimum of 20 bucks on the portfolio to participate. We are going to see that in the video. And they distribute your rewards each epoch. Each epoch is 1 week. So each week you are going to see how much you have been earning, and you are going to be able to claim your tokens when they launch the token in Q1. But in the meantime, you are going to be able to see them. The token economics of this project, it will be a total supply of 150 million, so it's not big supply. That is something that I like. And the token is going to be called NST. So first of all, step 1, go to the application at this link. There's no referral link for here, so we don't have anything to do with that. So go here to the application, click on Start Investing. You are going to be pumped here. And here you connect with your wallet. First of all, you are going to be asked to sign a transaction. So you sign that and you can select the wallet. Right now I am using Ethereum mainnet for no reason in particular. I want to pay higher fees right now, so I am going to use Ethereum. So the first thing that you notice is that you have a section for airdrop here. So if you go to the airdrop, you can see your total rewards here, pending rewards for the epoch that you are going to have in the 30. And if you want to know how the NFT token airdrop works, you click the link here and you are going to be pumped to the official information. Some stuff to highlight here on the documentation in the section of airdrop. If you go to the down part here, and this corresponds to the point 3 of my step-by-step is how to score the max possible to get the best airdrop tokens. You are going to understand here how the distribution works. Basically, like I mentioned, you have 1 epoch, but each hour it's going to be taking 1 snapshot. And if you do the maximum amount of things in that snapshot, you are going to have the higher value for the snapshot. This means if you do the best things each hour during 1 week, you are going to have the high score and you are going to be able to get the best reward possible for that week. So having that in mind, what you are going to need to do each hour to be the best of the snapshot. First, you are based on the total value of all your portfolios. So you are going to have one or multiple portfolios. We are going to check that in a bit. The total number of copies and their total value, because you can copy portfolios. The diversity of networks used to build your portfolios, because you can create one portfolio in each of the networks. So I recommend you to do that if you want to participate in this airdrop. Instead of creating 5 portfolios in Ethereum mainnet like I'm doing right now, you can create one on each of the networks. And the volume of activities, the create, manage, copy, deposit, edit, allocations, etc. And like I say, each of these things is going to be scored each hour for each snapshot. And in the total of one epoch is 168 snapshots, so you are going to have the higher score there. But we don't need to fight for that really. If you put one portfolio with $20, you are going to start receiving tokens. So again, in the application, I'm going to create a portfolio. You can create a portfolio or copy a portfolio. Create portfolio here, get inspired is we are going to copy a portfolio first. So you can see here the trending portfolios in last. You can change this on Ethereum. So for this, for example, you can see the most copied traders on Ethereum or the most copied portfolios on Ethereum. So I'm going to copy a portfolio first, and you can see here the percentage that portfolio is doing. So I'm going to copy a portfolio that at this moment is doing it good. For example, here most performing portfolios in the last 7 days. So I'm going to copy not the biggest one, but this one. So I will copy this portfolio. So you click the portfolio there. You can see how it's doing it in the total timeline or last week. And you can see this portfolio has these tokens inside. Curve is the one that has been performing most. So for example, if you want and see this, you can create your own portfolio with Curve and Conic token, and that will be enough. But let's copy this portfolio. So I click on copy. I will use crypto to pay this. I have a little bit of Ethereum there. So I will put, in terms of value of Ether, I will select Ether there. And I will put 0.15, 0.20. So you can see this value is $24. The minimum for the airdrop is 20, so be sure to put more than that. I will click on copy. Confirm the transaction and pay a lot of gas fees here. You can see almost $20 in gas fees. I will pay it anyway, guys. And you are going to comment me why I'm doing that. So I pay that. And down here you can see that says copy portfolio, so you need to wait a little bit for this. And after a couple of minutes you can see that I have my portfolio here in portfolio sections, value on $24. It's up to date right now. I copied from this guy, and if I go to Explorer and come back here, I click overview, and you can see that the value of my portfolios right now is $24, and these are the tokens that I have. Again, you can copy another portfolio, you can create your own portfolio. Going here, you can click on create portfolio and select the coins that you want. But anyways, I will do the next ones using another blockchain instead of Ethereum. So I will create one portfolio in each blockchain. And if you want to have more scores for the airdrop, then you need to create more portfolios, edit portfolios, follow all the stuff that is saying here on the documentation. But right now with this is an example of how to copy a portfolio. The next epoch ends in 2 days, so I recommend you to do something today and tomorrow. So in 3 days you are going to see something on your total rewards or pending rewards after you do that. And there's a snapshot each hour. So guys, that is everything about this airdrop. Super direct, very well organized. I really like what they did because they encourage to use the application in order to get the tokens for the distribution. But it's super transparent and you can see how much you are going to have. And guys, there are not an infinite amount of tokens. They are doing this until the total amount of tokens that they told is 2.6 million tokens complete distributed. So if this end up distributed next month, I don't know how much have already distributed. If you know that, put that in the comment section. But we really don't know how much time we have for this. But the distribution of the tokens is going to be in Q1 2023. So this is not a new airdrop, has been already a couple of months, but you still can participate. There's no limit until the tokens are already distributed here on the rewards. That is all for the video, guys. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notification. And if you want to see more information about this project, you can check this video of James Palton. He did an interview just one day ago with people here of the project. I think it's really interesting. If you want to see something about this project, you can check the video. It's here on the description of the post. And don't forget to follow on Twitter and Discord this project, so you are already participating also in the airdrop. And follow me at CryptoState for more information of airdrops in my channels. Stuff that I don't put in the YouTube channel, you're going to find it in Twitter. And guys, that will be all for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye.